Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. It's SinglesSwag day. This is what was on the porch. Don't forget to hashtag love yourself. Comes with a card. I don't think this has a theme. I had canceled my SinglesSwag and then they sent me the dreaded 50% off email. And so I signed back up. This box is valued at $205. I don't remember how much the box normally sells for, but you can always get it at a very steep discount. So if you're interested in this, don't pay full price ever, because you can find coupon codes all over the internet, and I'll have a link down below if you want to go check it out. So let's get started. The first thing in the box is this cement planner. I wonder if that would go good next to the cement pond. Anyway, so this is a gradient cement planter. It retails for $32, it says. It's an artisan designed planner, and it's to showcase small plants or be a catch-all, it says. And it's very pretty. Very pretty planter. I can see using this as a catch-all. This would be perfect for brushes because it's very heavy, so you wouldn't have to worry about it tipping over. I actually really like it. I love the soft pastel and the gradient color that's on it. And you can tell by the markings on it that it looks like it was what do they call that with the clay? I don't remember, but where they put it on the wheel and actually make it. It has lots of texture and some flaws in it, but I think anything that has flaws in it makes it unique and beautiful, just like all of us. So that's very nice. I really like that. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. If I'll use it for makeup brushes or lip liners, eyeliners, or put pins and stuff in it. I'm not sure, but I really do like that. The next thing that we have is the Chemist Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. And this retails for $32. I'm sensing a theme here with $32. And it is a blend of antioxidants, amino acids, and vitamins that aim to deeply moisturize, protect, nourish, and its age-defying formula is designed to increase skin elasticity, enhance dull-looking skin, and fight off free radicals. And it has a safety seal on it. I have never heard of Skin Chemist, and I'm not going to open it. You know that I'm using the products in my boxes when I unbox them, but I am currently experimenting with a new skincare regimen, and I am going to stick to that, and so I'm not going to be using any of these types of products, so this product will go in the giveaway box. The next item had a rough time getting here. This is Vitamin Drop Serum. It's vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and green tea extract. And it says feel free. This is, who is this? Feel Free, I think is the brand name. Is that right? I believe so. I've never heard that either. It says Eco Cert Cosmos Natural for all skin types. And this retails for $28, and it has pure vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and is designed to visibly improve skin's brightness, firmness, and skin spots. Skin spots. I haven't heard them called skin spots in a long time. As well as to even out the skin tone. And this is another product that I will not be testing out because I'm using or testing out this new skincare routine, but let's see if it has a wooden top. That's pretty cool, and it is safety sealed. That I'm not sure if this will go in your giveaway box or if I will gift that to my daughter. I'm not sure, but I won't be using it. And then we have KAB Cosmetics. This is mascara. This retails for $28, and I don't see a shade on it. It says it's made in China, but it's cruelty free. It's got the bunny on it. That's always confusing to me. Do I have this? I don't know whether I have. I do not, because this does not look familiar at all. That's what the component looks like. And I'm not going to open it. Oh, it's on here. Black. It's black. I have quite a few mascaras going, and if you watch the 12 Days of Christmas March reminder where I used the Sigma products, that mascara, holy cow, I love it. Next up we have Molly Jacob. This is Rose Quartz Grapefruit Essential Oil with Healing Stones. Really? Huh, that's right up my alley. This retails for $26, and it's 100% all-natural roll-on essential oil that contains jade healing stones and is designed to promote balance and relaxation. And y'all, this girl needs some balance and some relaxation. I am here to tell you, the last 2 days at work have been, whew, great day. To use, roll one swipe on the wrist, temples, neck, or behind the ears. And why am I laughing? Because I'm a very visual person. When somebody says something to me, as they're saying the words, I visualize it in my head. Little pictures pop up in my head. I know, I'm probably a weirdo, but that's what makes me uniquely me. So when I read to rub it on your temples, I imagined me beating myself in the temple with it to try to relax. Just kidding. Anyway, this is what the component looks like, and it's got crystals in it, which is nice. I like that a lot because I love crystals. But you didn't need that many crystals in it to get the benefit of the crystals, and that took up a lot of space that I could have more product. What is this? Rose quartz and grapefruit. That smells pretty dang good. I can really smell the grapefruit. That's really nice. It's not super strong. It's just a very, very light scent. I really do like that. I will be putting this in my purse and carrying it with me, so that when things at work get stressful, I can, get myself to relax. I'm surprised I have any subscribers at all. The next thing in my box is this Amelia Rue Kinsley 3-piece bracelet set. And it says it retails for $54. And so you get 3 bracelets. And they're very pretty. But for $54, I would imagine that these would be stones, but you can tell that they're plastic. They're very pretty though. I like them. Very nice. Very Leanna hippie looking. This one is adjustable. That one's nice too. Although these adjustable bracelets sometimes are hard to... Oh, there we go. That was not hard. That's pretty actually. I like it. I don't mind that they're plastic at all. That doesn't bother me. What bothers me is that they're saying they're worth $54 and they're not. I would not pay $54 for them, but I will enjoy them. They're very pretty. It says they're real glass beaded stretch bracelets. One accented with rose gold charms and one with silver charms. So I'm guessing these are supposed to be the glass beads. Yep, these are supposed to be glass beads. I don't know, y'all. Maybe they are, but they look and feel like plastic to me. I still think they're pretty, so. And I think I'm going to keep those because I do like to wear a bracelet from time to time. And then the last item in my box is food. And y'all know I don't like this. I don't like this. Don't send me this. This is poison. It's poison. This is cream-filled wafers, and it's Meyer lemon flavor, and it retails for $5. And I will tell you that this is going in the trash. Don't feed the hotties. So that's my SinglesSwag box for the month of March. Like I said, I will put the link down below just in case you're interested in checking them out. I absolutely love this vase a lot. I like this a lot. So if you enjoyed watching me unbox this SinglesSwag box, then give that like button down there some love. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher? Do you have a little teeny tiny fishing pole? You know, like this. A little bitty baby one. So you can fish for minnows to use as bait. Because if you do, see the hole? You can... You can use this to hold it. It's not really a beauty tip. That's like a life tip. It can be a fishing pole proper upper for when you are fishing with your little teeny tiny baby fishing pole and fishing for minnows. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.